Namaste. Today we will do remaining problems from exercise 12.2. Eighth question. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. See the figure. The area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. That is what we have to find out. Also, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So here there is a square shaped grass field and at one corner, that is this corner, a horse is tied and the length of the rope is 5 meter. So from here the length is 5 meter. If it is cut straight, it will be 5 meter. So here is the horse. So it can graze inside this field because this is the length of the rope. So a horse can graze inside this field and you can see it is part of a circle, 1/4 of a circle. This is 1/4 portion of a or quarter portion of a circle. And you can see that this is a sector where this is 90-degree angle because this is one angle of this square. So here it is 90-degree and you can see a sector here and here it forms angle 90. Also it is given the length of the rope is 5 meter. So here this length will be 5 meter because radius is here 5 meter. R is equal to 5 meter. Theta is equal to 90-degree from here. Now we have to find out the area of circle. Area of circle is equal to, that is this circle is pi r square. That is 22 by 7 into r is 5. 5 square is 25, which is equal to 78.5 meters square. The first question was area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze. So here this is the total area of the circle inside this. Now first question is area of where the horse can graze. So we have to find out quarter of the circle's area. 1/4 into circle's area is pi r square and we know pi r square we got 78.5 which is equal to 19.625 meters square. That is the answer of first question. Now second question, if the rope is increased to 10 meter, here the new radius is 10 meter. Again theta will be 90-degree. Here the angle is 90. Area is pi r square where r is 10. So 10 square is 100. 314 meters square. Again we have to find out the area of the part of the field where the horse can graze. That is again 1/4 of the whole circle. The whole circle's area is 314 meters square. So the new radius is here 10. So we have to find out the new space, that is grazing space of the horse. That is 1/4 of new area. 314 which is equal to 78.5 meters square. It is asked in the second question we have to find out the increase in the area. That is we know the first area and we now got the new area where radius is changed to 10 meter. How will you find the increase in the area? We have to find out the difference between the areas. So difference is 78.5, that is new area, minus the old area was 19.625 where radius is 5. Here radius is 10. Difference is 58.875 meters square. This is the increase in area of grazing field of the horse. Next, ninth question. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Here a brooch is made using a silver wire and you can see in this circle we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 diameters and in that diameter is 35 millimeter. Also it is divided to 10 equal parts. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts inside the circle. So how is a brooch made? Here there will be wires, and also in this circumference we can see another wire. So we have to find out the total length of the wire used in this brooch. So first we will find out. Here we have 5 diameters. So it can be written as 5 into diameter. That is 5 into 35, 175. So to make these diameters, we need 175 millimeter of wire. Next is the circumference, that is 2 pi r, where 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Here we have diameter 35. So radius will be 35 by 2, that is half of the diameter. Diameter is 35, radius is half of the diameter, that is 35 by 2. 110. So the first question was total length of the silver wire. That is length of the diameters plus length of the circumference. Through here we have silver wires, and in this circumference also we have silver wires. So total length of silver wire is diameter's length, that is 175, plus circumference length. Circumference is 110, which is equal to 285 millimeter. It is the length of the silver wire used in this brooch. Now to find out the second portion of this question, we have diameter 35 millimeter. From this we know radius is 35 by 2, that is half of the diameter. Now it is asked to find the area of each sector of the brooch. So first we have to find out the area of the total circle, that is pi r square, where pi is 22 by 7 and r is 35 by 2 whole square, which is 22 by 7 into 35 square by 4 equals to 1925 by 2 millimeter square. This is the area of the whole circle. And here we can see each sector. So to find one sector's area, first you have to find out total area of the circle, and you have to count how many sectors are there. After finding out the area of the circle, you will divide it with number of sectors. Here number of sectors, we know we have 10 sectors here. So one sector's area will be area of the whole circle by number of sector, that is 10. Now it becomes 1925 by 2 whole division 10, which is equal to a by b by c by d. It can be written as a by b into d by c. Here 10 is 10 by 1. So this is c by d. Here taking the reciprocal we have d by c, and it is equal to 385 by 4 millimeter square. So each sector's area, each of the sector have 385 by 4 millimeter square as its area.